Hey everyone, so as my intro, I decided to make my intro today. This is on how to install MetaMask and configure it for BNB, the Binance Smart Chain. The first thing to know, if you don't have the MetaMask yet, if you do, you can fast forward this part. You're going to go to metamask.io. Make sure and confirm you're at metamask.io because there's a lot of fake websites out there, and you don't want to download a fake MetaMask. So you hit download, and the website will automatically know what you're coming here with, and I'm using Firefox, so it wants me to download the MetaMask extension for Firefox. And then I'll download. Oh, hang on. You click on Add to Firefox right here. And that will confirm, add. And then you're going to have this little guy up here. We can go to Get Started. Agree. And since I assume you don't have MetaMask, you can go to Create a Wallet. You're going to create a password. And go Accept. And I'm not going to save it. And this is for securing wallet. There's a little video you can watch if you want to do that. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and reveal. This is, you want to make sure that you keep this, or your passphrase. This is going to be my passphrase. I'm not going to actually use this wallet because it's for the video. I exposed my seed. So if you do ever expose your seed, you want to make sure you don't use that wallet because it's going to be exposed. But you want to make sure you copy that and save it in a safe place, preferably offline somewhere, so it doesn't get exposed or anything. So once you do that, copy it, you can go to Next, and you're going to have to enter that actual phrase there that you just had. So I'm going to actually go back. Video. I'm going to pause the video because I'm going to have to take up a lot of time. I have to actually type one, unless it lets me copy and paste. I don't think it does now. So I'm going to pause real quick, and you're going to have to pick each one of these to make it go into your phrase in the right order. Okay, so I've picked them all in the right order now. And I'm going to hit confirm. And I'll let you keep on going on. And here we go. So your wallet is automatically configured for Ethereum. When you click here, or let's say you clicked out of this page, and you can go over here on your actual extension. And you can click up here and go to Add Network. I'm going to pause for a second. And you're going to go to academy.bnb, and I'll leave this link in the description so you don't have to try to read it from the video. Yeah, when you first come here, you're going to, looks like this. You're going to scroll on down to right here. Now you want to be on Mainnet. So this is, you're going to want this RPC URL. And the chain ID is 56. And we're just going to copy. You can literally just copy and paste this. Now for the smart chain, I'd like to put in BNB smart chain, just in case you have some other network and don't want to confuse which one's which. So the chain ID is 56, currency BNB, and the block explorer URL. You don't have to put that in, but for the sake of the video, we're just going to do it. I mean, it doesn't hurt. So we're going to add that right there. And go to save. And now you are on the BNB Smart Chain. And from there you can configure back and forth, go to Ethereum Mainnet or BNB Smart Chain. So if you go Ethereum Mainnet, BNB Smart Chain. And the cool thing about it is, so your address on the BNB Smart Chain, along with Ethereum Mainnet, is the same for each account you create. So if you accidentally oh, I'm going to have someone send me money from the BNB Smart Chain, and you give them your Ethereum address, it's actually the same address. So it'll still be inside there on the MetaMask, which is awesome. And that's how easy it is to configure the BNB Smart Chain to MetaMask. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed my my little kid's intro he did at the beginning. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to have him do the intro on each of my videos. And thank you for watching.